when we test acids with blue litmus paper, when we test acids with blue litmus paper, what is going to be happen? It turns into boys nunchi answer raatలేదు. I am feeling shame as a boy. Boys nunchi answer raatలేదు. I am feeling shame as a boy. చెప్పాలి, ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి, ఓకేనా? When we test blue litmus with acids, which color appears? Red color, very good. When we test red litmus, it turns into
start this one, sir.
what? Do.
They only do.
ఏ కింద యాసిడ్ ఉందిరా రే, కింద యాసిడ్ ఉందిరా, తగిలిన ఆల్రెడీ దాన్ని చూసినా కాదు.
And there is a form some drops are there. The color is that red color. By the indicator, it is not a juggling.
This one is blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. This one is pH indicator, universal indicator. When we test either acid or base, whatever it may be, it turns into these colors, these color numbers. This is called pH value. pH value starts from 0 to 14. 0 to 14.
ఎవరుంటే ఏమంటారా? ఏంటిది?
So
7 లో పడి ఉంటే 7 to 14 ఉంటే.
So by knowing this pH number, by knowing the color, generally it is in the color of yellow color. It is in the color of yellow color, but it turns into different colors as shown. Okay, we will see these all. It contains tartaric acid. It contains tartaric acid. It means acidic nature. So, if we test with blue litmus, it should be turned into. Let us see. Insert this strip into that.
కాదండి, లాస్ట్ ది.
తెలియదు సార్. Insert that. Yes. Bring up. What happened? Blue litmus, when mixed with acids, it turns into red color. Okay? Clear? వచ్చిందా? రెడ్ కలర్ అపియర్ అవుతుందా మీ అందరికి? Yes. What is its nature? Acidic nature.
Paper has the acid nature. Tamarind have the acid nature. Litmus paper have the acid nature.
Cut this, sir.
What is the color of blue litmus paper when we are dip that in the base?
Simple, sir. Blue turns into.
What is the color when we are dip the blue in the base? No change. Remains it, sir?
Remains the same. Let us see what is going to be happen.
She is dip then
Dip it. Dip it. Come closer to test tube. Come closer to test tube. Yes. What happened? Any change? No. A is there. Check. No change.
blue paper remains its same.
Okay. Okay. We can see. We can see with red. What is going to be happen? We can see with red. What is going to be happen? Yes. Yes. What happened? What happened? Turn into? Do you know one thing? Again we can reuse that litmus paper.
All of you can see here, the upside have the right there, but the downside have the red paper.
Is it possible? It is possible after drying. After drying, it is possible. And again, we can check this with the universal indicator. pH paper. What is the color of pH paper? What color we are going to get when we mix with base or acid? We can't say. By changing the color, we have to identify. Okay?
The concentration of the acidic.
It is called universal indicator. Why universal? Universal means universe అంటే అన్నిటికీ అని అర్థం. అర్థమైందా? Here blue litmus turns into red in acids. In acids. Which color appearing? Green. Light, not blue color actually it is. After drying it is going to be turned into totally bluish color, not light green. So its pH value is 12 or 14. So it is a strong base. It is a strong base. Okay? Acids into red color. Red litmus change the color in bases. Red litmus turns into blue color. Red litmus in acids, no change. Blue color, blue litmus in bases, sodium hydroxide solution. We tested this with litmus paper. We observed that red litmus turns into blue color. And now we are testing this base with the phenolphthalein solution. Phenolphthalein solution. Holes in sir. Holes in.
What is the color of phenolphthalein when we are putting the base? Get the
Come, madam.
pink color. Yes.
Drop it. Yes. Yes. Show it.
Sure.
What happened? Change it into like this. We can make different type of juices. It is appearing like grape juice to me. Kada? Grape juice lage undi kada?
Once all of you see here, what is the color of this one?
Potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Its color is very pink. Okay. ఇంకో కుండలో ఒక 4-5 క్రిస్టల్స్ పొటాషియం పర్మాంగనేట్ వేసి పెట్టేసి ఈ కుండలో ఉన్న వాటర్ తాగి నోట్లో తాగి ఒకసారి గుడ్లు ఇచ్చి దీంట్లో ఉయ్యి బాబు అంటే వాడు ఊస్తాడు. ఉయ్యగానే ఆల్రెడీ ఈ పాటలో ఉన్నటువంటి పొటాషియం పర్మాంగనేట్ ఏమవుతుంది, వాడు ఊసిన వాటర్ తోటి రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. జరగగానే ఓం భీం బుష్ భోం భోం భూమ్ అనేసి ఈ వాటర్ని లేపి ఆ బార పోస్తే ఎర్రగా నీళ్లు కారుతాయి. ఏమైంది? మీ వాడికి దయ్యం పట్టింది, అందుకే ఇందులో నీళ్ళు ఉయ్యగానే రక్తం వచ్చింది అని చెప్తాడు. కానీ అక్కడ ఏముండవు. సో డోంట్ బిలీవ్ దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే సార్. Acids.
From the 7th class girls, anybody, you have that lesson, this lesson already you have. Finish up this lesson, 7th class.
Sixth also. Jobianas. Come.
indicator.
అవకాశం ఉన్నప్పుడు 7th level ఏనా? Raise your hand.
Methyl orange. What is going to be change the colors? Yes, drop it.
Only 1 or 2 drops. Yeah, another one.
Shake it. Shake it. Sir. Okay.
Are you able to see their color? Yes. What is the color?
Yellow color. Yes. Turns into testing it with the weak acid. It turns into red color. Light red.
Yeah, it's a red color. Really, you are able to see that.
Light red color. Base. Salt.
And 1 or 2 drops. Get it.
What is the color of this? 7.0. The pH value is 7.0. Okay?
Hey girls, 10th boys and 10th girls, and 7th also, all the classes, 9th also completed this one, except 6th class. All of you listen carefully. Sari said that I am doing here, but you are going to the shouting way only. What you are observing there? Here you are able to see that. Which is the color? Green color. By the indicator. The indicator you just know. We are adding a indicator in the salt. It becomes a green.
You have to be careful if this acid is going to be